In this video, you'll learn how to create a markdown sale on eBay. This process will help you promote your listings effectively and attract more buyers. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully set up a markdown sale to boost your sales performance. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub. You can find the Seller Hub by selecting My eBay at the top right corner of the page and then choosing Selling from the drop-down menu. After you enter the Seller Hub, locate the Marketing tab in the top navigation bar and click on it. This will take you to the marketing tools available for your listings. Next, within the Marketing tab, look for the option labeled Promotions. Click on Promotions to access the Promotion Management area. Here you will see various promotional tools, including options to create markdown sales, which are specifically designed to enhance your product visibility and sales. Once you are in the Promotions section, look for the button that says Create a Promotion from the drop-down sale. This will open a new window where you can choose the listings you want to include in your markdown sale. You can select multiple eligible listings at once. After selecting the listings, you will need to specify the discount type, either by entering a percentage off or a fixed price reduction for each item. After setting your discounts, you will proceed to schedule your markdown sale. Look for the fields to enter the start and end dates for the promotion. Setting a clear time frame is crucial as it creates urgency for potential buyers. Review all the details of your markdown sale to ensure accuracy. Make sure the selected listings, discount amounts and dates are correct before finalizing the sale. To complete the process, find a button that says Launch or Save and Launch. Click this button to activate your markdown sale. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your sale is live. Keep in mind that it may take some time for the changes to reflect on your listings, depending on eBay's system updates. Monitor the performance of your markdown sale through the Seller Hub to see how it impacts your visibility and sales conversions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.